Hi there, Lisa Arana here, and welcome to another video. Today's card is all about a quick and easy design for this holiday season. Great for mass production or if you're in a hurry because maybe you forgot to make one. I'm using a few different sentiments from A Joyous Season stamp set by Unity Stamp Company to create a quick set of cards. I have my supplies all set to go. And I'm going to start out with that green cardstock. I'm die cutting the top with a scalloped die that has a bit of a stitching to it as well. And I'm just going to run that through my die cut machine. And then next I'm going to adhere that on top of a strip of pattern paper. This one is striped, and I'm lining that up just so I have a good amount of pattern paper at the top. And then I'm using another die, a stitched rectangle, to die cut that all out. Next I have my sentiment pre-embossed in silver embossing powder on another die cut banner piece and popping that up with some foam adhesive, and then next gluing that straight down onto my card base so it's right in the center. You could pop this up as well, but I'm going to be mailing these out, so I'm trying to keep the dimension down a bit. Next I have a bow tied with some twine, and I'm gluing that down right at the top of the center of the sentiment banner, just holding it a few seconds just to make sure that glue adheres really well to that bow, and then I know it's not going to go anywhere. So here's our finished card, a super easy and pretty darn cute card for this holiday season. It kind of looks like a Christmas gift with the cheery sentiment to wish someone a merry and bright holiday. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you liked it. Plus, if you have any questions or sweet comment, post below. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye!